Hey yo, welcome back to another banger video, and in today's video we got the Widebody Scat. Finna install this lip. Actually, shout out to Brett, boy, Neil. We finna install this lip though. Alright, but it's the same lip I had pretty much before. It's just slightly different. It's not real carbon fiber because I go through lips like a lot. If I get a real carbon fiber one, bro, I'ma cry because it's gonna break. There it is. That's how it looks without the lip. And then, man, we just got it serviced like alignment, but we still have some issues. But we're gonna figure that out with Dodge because we fighting them. Let's turn this on. Yeah, buddy.
Okay, press it again. So let me see if it's on this side or not. It's on this side too.
I don't know. The only thing I can think of, like, mine do that first, but like I usually gotta go kind of fast and I like break in the brakes a little bit, then it usually gets rid of it. Like a 60 to like 0 stop.
Really?
It's like when you break in new brakes, like new pads, when you go 60, go real fast, slam on it, then it stops.
Break them in.
Yeah.
But I drive it, bro. I drive it.
So they were wrong about whatever they said because it's on this side too.
Yeah, it's not
But
what they
it's
say.
loud in there. It's really loud. Yeah, I just hear it. The brake or the.
It could be the brake lines.
Brake lines, maybe.
It doesn't even make it when I brake. If I'm like uphill and turn, let's see. See?
Yeah.
What is that? Yo, Brett, you hear it? Look, I'm not even braking, and you'll hear it.
Yeah.
See? Alright, fuck it. Let's move the car. Alright, y'all. Man, I don't know what's going on with my car, but we're gonna get it figured out. I apologize that I haven't uploaded in 2-3 weeks. I was actually gone for 2 weeks of my training, and that was, you know, National Guard, Army National Guard training, which is 2 weeks long. That's why I got that crazy tan, bro. Look at this. I'm burnt as hell. Y'all see that line right there? It's not even the lighting. It's literally the tan line. If y'all got a charger, this is the type of lip I would recommend because it looks really good.
I'm recording.
Huh?
Can't see when I'm recording.
Oh, you good. Well, we're finna jack it up. This is like the bottom piece, how you want to say it. That's the bottom, and then the lip will go on top, and that's like little airflow. A little bit more. Yo, ain't no way. Look, my car is that heavy.
Oh, what a
No, ain't no way. Look at this shit.
What's this?
Bro,
This is so soft. This pavement's so soft.
Oh, it ain't my problem. We're gonna install this lip today.
Oh my god. Look at that.
Let's do it. Okay, y'all. Y'all hear it? Look, that's the Magnerite or adaptive, whatever the fuck they call it.
We can make it fit.
Yeah, we can.
This thing attached to this, so we're gonna do that. I think these screws looking a little too long for that though. Just trying to keep it together so we can flip the light. Let it roll. Yep. Bitch.
So I know. I'm gonna have to pull a little bit because it's like.
Same here, bro.
Oh, do the one that's like lined up first.
I'll do the top one first. This way. Ah, fuck, this shit itchy, bro. Damn, bro. Hold it.
Alright,
So, I'll put this under here. Alright, and then y'all hold this. No, I'm gonna need the.
Okay.
do this. Check if this is a line. Alright, y'all. Look at this though. Man, we're gonna drop it. Watch. It's gonna look a lot better when we drop it. But it's looking really good. We filled in the gaps right here, so that's pretty good. Look at it. That looks so good. It'll make the car look a little bit lower from the front when we drop it. So let's go ahead and drop that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Cause it's getting dark. We gotta be quick. Alright, y'all. We finna drop the car. So there it is. Look at the pavement though. We literally made an indent in there. Alright, moment of truth. The wheels kind of turned because I turned it, but oh yeah, that looks good. Dang, bro. Look at that. I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow when it's brighter out. I'm gonna record the results of it, but it looks pretty good. What do you say?
Looks good.
Fire?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh yeah. Alright, y'all. This is what it looks like during a bright day. Well, it was storming, so that looks crazy though. Let me show you. Oh yeah, that looks fucking pretty as hell. But check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah.